The mystery of the Industrial Metaverse. Who better to ask about it than my colleagues and our tech experts at Hololight? My name is Luis, co-founder of Hololight, and today my colleagues will be decoding the Industrial Metaverse for you.
Well, the Industrial Metaverse is this really cool one-stop hub where you have, just in this massive ecosystem, access to all of your XR applications. You're free of login barriers while remaining secure, and it's just this very convenient space that is interconnected.
I agree, and I hope that the industry will take it one step further, where we go from the scattered apps all over the network to something more of a centralized solution.
The real magic for me in the Industrial Metaverse is the idea that I can take an application for AR and VR that I really believe in, I can drag it into a solution, and then instantly it's available across a whole plethora of AR and VR devices. No worry, no fuss. It's ready.
Centralized apps, efficient monitoring, and no scattered systems.
The idea that my application can go out to all my users, whether they be internal or external, all at once. It's instantly scalable, instantly in the hands of everybody that needs it.
For me, the most important purpose of the Industrial Metaverse is collaboration. It enables people to work seamlessly regardless of their location, it enhances the experiences, and it improves the innovation.
I mean, the other thing for the Industrial Metaverse is the high performance and high security aspect of it. Additionally, the fact that applications no longer run on devices. They just run somewhere in the cloud or on a server stack, and all of that is powered by streaming.
A centralized platform, scalability, collaboration, high performance, and high security. These are our top core values. What are yours? Click on the link below and check out our solution for the Industrial Metaverse.